Maya-maya ang party host na si Tyler nagpa-swimwear fashion show.
All right, models, shh, backstage. Don't make any noise, please. Thank you. So today we're going to have a signature fashion show. We have 9 of our signature models here today. They've all handcrafted their own swim attire. All right, first up we have Luis in his negro black attire.
Galing ni Tyler, kuya. Sobrang baliw din. Kulit din.
All by himself? Look at that walk. Beautiful. All right, signature pose, please.
I love you, brother. I love you, brother.
All right, can you just... All right, next. Our most experienced model. Our most experienced model. He's got the most years.
Take it on. Bushy, that's come to bed. Break that. Take it up.
Oh, look at that stare. Hold on. Signature pose, signature pose. Ready?
That's hard.
Yeah, kills it every time. Signature pose. Love it. Beautiful.
Ako si Wonder ko, rarampatin ang nakabuto. Ingat ka sa galit ko at aking buti-buti.
Created her own very beautiful swimsuit. Signature pose, please. Signature pose. Oh, these beautiful swim shorts. Look at that. Oh, look at that spin. That was beautiful. Oh, give me a high five. That was amazing. All right, Benine. Here she comes. Here she comes. Look at that. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, come on. Round of applause. Round of applause. Round of applause. Give me a hug, Benine. Give me a hug. That's beautiful. Thank you. Stop. Go ahead.
Benina, of course, she's always funny when she does her walks. She's just being herself. She's hilarious. I think she did really good.
Welcome, Tanner. Please, come on. She's coming out. Look at the swim attire, though. Look at that. Palm trees, along with the gray and the lime green. 2 of my favorite colors, by the way. Thank you. Can we signature pose? Signature pose, please. That's too much. That's too much. Come on, please. Come on. Bunch them up. That's too much. Models, can we come up here, please?
It was a lot of fun doing that. I mean, I think the rest of them enjoyed it too. We were just kind of messing around.
I want to welcome Mr. Tyler Mata. Tyler Mata!
Sa pagsisimula ng party, agad na naglaro ang boys ng beer pong.
Let's say winner-lose. Let's see winner-lose.
Beer pong. Sa larong beer pong, kailangan ma-shoot ang ping-pong ball sa mga baso ng kalaban na may laman na beer. Ang team na mas maraming masushoot na bola ang panalo. Si Tanner may dinagdag na pusta sa kanilang laro.
First team to lose has to eat balloon first. Chill.
It's not even warm.
You want to go first?
Oh, you go first.
Freshman cup. Oh, you good.
Oh no! He's like very like.
What?
Heat it up!
Woo! Let's go! Traveling cup. I'm about to eat some nasty balut.
Ang ibang housemates, kwentuhan naman ng bonding.
Mga MDs, cheers to the MDs.
Model ko.
Parang sa bora ka na.
At exclusive. Ito pang the best. Hindi mo kailangan ng pera or credit.
No ID. You got the bill. Ang saya.
Ang mga nagbe-beer pong napapasayaw na sa sobrang saya.
Po ay may pa-chest si Mayor, saka po may pabraso. Umuulan ng pandesal. Daming abs para pong isang plastic ng buns.
The temperature gets even hotter as the party gets longer. Only here on Pinoy Big Brother Lucky Season 7.
I just wanna feel